guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be reviewing Halloween costumes from Fashionnova. Now I've never tried costumes from them before and I've got one heck of a big box to get through. So they sent me a whole load of costumes, I picked them out myself, and we're just gonna see what they're like. So I think I've got 6 outfits to show you guys, so let's get to it. So I'm just gonna start at the top of the box, and before I start I should just mention that I know Halloween is meant to be scary, but I feel like over the years it's just become an excuse to dress up as anything. So the first costume I got, I am so excited about. It's a Mrs. Incredible outfit. I mean, look at that. I am so excited for this. But I didn't just get the costume because I think in this bag it comes with like the suit, the gloves and the mask. But it doesn't come with the knee-high boots. Now, I feel like these are a little bit extra, but so am I. I mean, look at those. I don't think I'm going to be able to walk in them without like breaking my neck because they are platform stilettos and they're like crazy high leg. But I think I can like fold them over if I need to. So I mean, Mrs. Incredible is getting a makeover. I'm gonna feel like one of their long lost family members in this look. So let's just put it on and see what it fits like. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I am obsessed with this outfit. Like, I feel so cool in it. I literally feel like a superhero. Like, this is just the coolest costume I think I've ever put on. Like, I just love it. Only thing I would say, I think size up, so you can see the actual like catsuit, I think it's called, finishes fairly low at the top, so I've just put a red bra underneath, so it kind of looks like it's meant to be like that. But just keep in mind that it does come up fairly low, this kind of top bit here, and this is just fishnet, so you need to either wear something smart underneath or size up. But I mean, the actual effect of the outfit, I'm loving it. I'm actually loving it. So it came with the gloves, mask and outfit, and then these were the boots that I got separately from Fashionnova, which I'm not gonna lie, they finished the look. Like, let me go back. Like, they just turn it into that kind of superhero outfit because, you know, Mrs. Incredible always had her thigh highs on. But yeah, so I love this one, and it's not exactly full coverage from the back, but it's luckily not a thong, which is surprising for Fashionnova. I was kind of scared what the back was going to be like. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised with this one, and I am loving it. So let's jump to the next. This next look, I have been wanting to do a cosplay of her for so long because I always feel like I dress a little bit like her or inspired by her, and you guessed it, it's Lara Croft from Tomb Raider. So I'm not gonna lie, this costume doesn't look like it's gonna cover anything. I mean, are those even shorts? But I think I can definitely work with this to make it into a costume I can actually leave my room in. So I'm gonna open this because I don't think they're shorts. I think they're literally gonna be like pants. But let's take a look. Please tell me these aren't them. These remind me of my gymnastics shorts when I was about 7. I mean, they're just not, they're not gonna work. They'll work great underneath something, but I think for a Tomb Raider outfit, it will look better with like proper shorts, and then I can wear like all the belts and everything, and it comes with a grenade belt, I think. Maybe, or maybe that's an extra it doesn't come with. Let's have a look. So it's got the top, and then something else in this bag. Don't know what it is. Because in the picture, she's wearing like a harness and a belt thing. Oh my god, that's a lot of leather. What are you? The fuck? That's one thing. I have no idea where it goes, but we've got 2 of them. But they don't like open. Oh, maybe like this? No. Okay, I've got to figure out where these even go on my body, but then what's the bigger thing? So I'm guessing this is like, oh, it's a pouch. Oh. So this is her little bag. Didn't even know it came with a bag. Ah, here's the grenade belt, or I've got to put them on. Oh, okay. Ooh, I just dropped a grenade. Okay, so I'm gonna have to like fiddle with this and see how these connect, because I guess they have something to do with this. Maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the picture for a while and figure it out, because there's just a load of like straps, and I'm guessing they all clip around me somehow. So this is going to be a fun look to try and put together, but before I put it on, I also got, I'm so excited for these, like combat boots. I mean, look how cute they are. They're going to give me a little bit of height because we all know I like to wear my heels, and I just love the different fabric types. Like, they're going to be so much fun. They're like really stylish, practical shoes. So I think these will just finish the look. So I'm going to try and make this look work. It's going to probably take me about an hour to figure out how to do all the harnesses and grenades and stuff. But I'll be back in a second, hopefully with it finished. So after about an hour of fiddling, I finally worked out which piece went where, but it definitely took me longer than it should. So these turn out they're gun holsters, but I didn't have any guns with my costume, so I've got the next best thing, my geology hammer, because not gonna lie, this look, it's just the type of shit I wear all the time, so I feel very comfortable right now, minus the grenades, you know, but literally, let's go fossil hunting. No, I'm joking. But I did the Tomb Raider hair. I think I rock it. I can't move, that's why I'm stood a bit awkward, because these shoes, oh my god, they squeak. So these are the new ones, are you ready? I don't know if it's because they're brand new, but they look so good with it. Like, look! No, oh god, I've got to stop walking. Right, stand still. There we go. No, but I love this look, and the little backpack is so cute. The only thing that failed were the shorts, but they're just pants. Like, I'm just gonna wear them as pants. Like, there was nothing to them. But I think with shorts, the rest of it, it's a really good outfit. Like, I love all the belts, I love all the kind of like accessories, and I love that I can low-key hook my hammer onto the belt if I wanted to and just like, I don't know, just become the geology Tomb Raider gal. I don't know, I love this look. Like, this is just so me, like, I love it. Next outfit I got is Tinkerbell. I mean, look how cute this outfit is. I just fell in love with the kind of dress thing she's wearing. It says it's actually like a bodysuit dress, and it really reminded me of like something a figure skater would wear, and I just thought it was so cute in green. So I thought I would give this a go. So let's just throw this one on. This is what this one looks like, and it's so cute. Like, I love the wings. I love that they're just like kind of outlined in green. Like, they've got this like sparkly kind of inner bit, and can we appreciate, like, look at this coordination. My nails were literally made for this outfit, so we're working it. But this is just so cute. Like, I love the skirt. Like, I feel really cute in it. I wish there was a few more, you know, panels, especially like, look at the back, right? This panel here is literally the only thing keeping my decency right now. That is one panel. I wish there was a few more, but I can work it. Like, it's very cute. It's got a leotard built in, so you are kind of secure, and I mean, how cute are the wings? Like, it's just such a cute outfit, and I've just like matched it with a pair of wedges, but you could wear anything with it. I feel like a pair of like strappy heels would be really cute, that kind of tie around your ankles, but I didn't bring any of those with me to France, so we've had to make do, but it's so cute. I love it, and it's like outlined in sequins. Like, it's just such, it just brings me back to my childhood. It's just such a cute like princess fairy outfit. I don't know, I love it, and I love the wings. Like, the wings are like my favourite part. Like, they're just gorgeous. They're so like, they're kind of like adult wings. Like, I love it. It's almost like my wings. Okay, I'm gonna stop now because I'm gonna start sounding crazy, so let's jump to the next. The final non-scary Halloween outfit is this Flintstone one. Now, for those of you who don't know, I'm a geologist, so obviously I love the idea of just stones, and the Flintstones is a perfect example of that. And I mean, this is actually a very sexy version of the Flintstones. Like, well, Wilma Flintstone, I think is her name. Wilma? Yeah, I think it's Wilma. And I'm pretty sure she would have had the other half to her skirt, but I mean, we're gonna make it work because that's what we do on this channel, but I just think it's a really cute look, and it even comes with the pearls. So let's just put this one on. I think I'm gonna make it work, but I think they're lacking a little bit of fabric in this one, but you know, we're all having to take budget cuts somewhere, so let's see what this one looks like. This is how this one fits, and I love this one. Like, it's so much nicer quality than I was expecting. It's almost like a velvet or a suede. Like, I don't know if the texture will pick up on camera, but it's so soft to touch. And even the necklace it came with is coated in like fur, so it's like really soft on my neck. And then I've just matched it with some pearls, and I even put some starfish in my hair because I'd love to put a bone, but miraculously, even though I'm a geologist with a lot of fossils, I don't have a bone, so I had to be inventive, so I put little starfish in my hair. So it works. It's just my kind of make-do hairstyle for this look, but I love the outfit, I love the kind of vibe. I just wish the other part of the skirt was included. So this is it from the front. This side is fabulous. This side we start getting a little bit dangerous. Like, doesn't quite have enough fabric to keep me decent, so it's kind of like I wish the other part was there, but we make it work. So it does come with a pair of pants that are in the same really soft fabric, but they're pants, like they're very much little pants, and I think we need like nice sized white shorts to wear under this, especially if you want to wear it like out and about. But it's really cute, and I do feel really nice in it, and I've just matched it with like my white wedges. So I can definitely work with this one, but yeah, the skirt is in need of a tiny bit more fabric or something underneath, I think anyway. But no, definitely really cute, definitely workable, and I'm excited to wear this one. Next outfit I got is Catwoman. Now I am so excited to see what this one looks like on. I have gone as Catwoman for Halloween before, but I think this is going to be like an even better outfit. So it's just this like all-in-one catsuit, and I think it's just going to be one heck of a sassy, sexy Halloween outfit. And I'll probably want to wear it multiple times in the year, but I only get one opportunity to, and as you can see, I have a lot of choice for this Halloween and not many places to go, so I haven't figured that one out yet, but this is just going to be really cute. So I'm just going to throw this one on, and let's see what it looks like. So slight problem with this one, the mask is too tight for my face, so I don't know if you can see, my eye is literally like squishing out of it. So we're going to take this off before I go blind. But to be fair, I think the ears are cute enough just on their own, and look, they literally are like leather look ears, and they match the catsuit. Like, this is a crazy catsuit. It's got like a texture all over it, kind of, don't know if you guys can see it, like these lines, almost like kind of zebra print. I don't know, I think it's really cute. It did come with gloves as well, I just haven't put them on yet. God, like long gloves are really sweaty things, especially when they're made out of like PU leather or whatever it's called, but I'll put them on, get the full effect. So this outfit consists of, you get the jumpsuit, the mask, the ears, and the gloves. So let's put these on. But I've got to say, it's actually, I feel like I'm wearing a really glamorous bin bag, but I mean, it's a look. It's definitely a look. If I can get the gloves on. There we go. Like it does generally, it's got that bin bag kind of texture, like even when it wrinkles, it's just bin bag. But sexy bin bag. But it's got like this texture on it, kind of like claw marks or like markings of some sort. I don't know, kind of like it though, but yeah, it's just like a crazy catsuit kind of thing. But it's definitely cute. Like, it's a really easy to wear kind of outfit. Sorry, I'm wearing my boots, but my floor kind of squeaks as I walk. But never when I want to demonstrate that it squeaks. But if you heard the squeak, it's my shoes. So I've just matched it with my trusted chunky boots. They just are my go-to boots for literally any look. But yeah, no, I like this one. I mean, it fits very nice. It fits the body, so this one's true to size. But yeah, I will make sure I link all my sizes down below if you'd like to compare. But I mean, it's a very, if you're going as Catwoman, I mean, Catwoman as a character is very sexy, so this kind of just matches. So no, I like this one. And then it wouldn't be Halloween if I didn't get a skeleton outfit. Now, my favourite thing to dress up as for Halloween at the moment is skeletons. Like, I've been a skeleton the past few years running, and I think it's just so appropriate for Halloween, whereas I wear like the other like non-scary Halloween costumes for other things, like especially at university, like so many of the parties have a theme, so I actually get to wear a lot of these fancy dress items. But when it comes to the skeleton, it's Halloween and Halloween only. And for this year, in case I can leave my room, I got a little face mask, because I normally, I might link it down below if I remember, but I do like amazing kind of skeleton face paint. Like, I have a lot of fun with it, and I do like the whole jaw on my face. But obviously currently we have to wear face masks. So I thought this is a perfect opportunity for me to not waste hours of my time, but instead, look at that, get a bandana one. Oh, I think that's gonna look so snazzy. So I just thought that's an easier option than having to like paint my face, put a mask on and it all rub off. And then I just think this is such a cute jumpsuit. It's got like a zip going down and it's just like, kind of like a cat suit. So let's just put it on and see what it fits like. So I've tied my hair into this bandana and I can't actually undo it. Because I'm gonna try and tie it under my hair. See if this works. And then, oh, I've tied it too tight now. Oh, no, it's not gonna go over my face. This is where I need an assistant. Mother, come to France. No, I'm joking. She does make a very good assistant though. Like this. Okay, let's tie it on my face. Voila, that was the worst reveal ever. I don't think my skull's okay. There we go. I still have done it too tight. Oh. Let me know how to tie this thing, but anyway, we'll work with it like this. But I think it has a really good effect, and with COVID, it's a great thing as well. So I'm like killing two birds with one stone. I think Halloween this year, like fun, scary masks is the way to go, because we're gonna have to wear a mask anyway. Might as well make it Halloween. And then this outfit is gorgeous. Like, it's made of like almost like a swimming costume fabric. I think I'm gonna take this off now because I don't actually know if you guys can hear me. Oh, I can just slip it down like that. It gets very hot under there. But yeah, no, this outfit is made of like a swimsuit fabric, and it's just like really stretchy. It's great. It's almost like I'm wearing a gym outfit. But I love the fact it's got bones on the front and bones at the back. You can see it's got like the spine. The pelvis isn't exactly where you'd actually have it, but minor thing. The actual outfit though, I think is really cool. And then it does have a zip down the front, so you can like break open your rib cage if you wanted to, or keep it together. But no, I really like this one, and it's got bones going all the way down the leg as well. My apologies for the squeaky boots, I'm trying to be quiet. I just don't want to wear it with socks because you won't like get the feel for it. I need the height of my boots. But no, I think this is a really snazzy one, and I think this is reflective. So I think if I like take a picture of it in darkness, it will like shine, but I'll have to test that theory. But yeah, so no, love this one. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which costume was your favourite down below, and I'll be back with more soon. I will also link it all down below if you'd like to check anything out. But thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.